As we always do in the school, we have the Save and Save As feature. Let me show you what I mean. When you see your 3x5 picture on here, it's a 3x5 floppy diskette. That is for save only. If you go back to your Office button, click on it once, you will see Save and Save As. Save puts it in the C drive. The C drive is your computer. Save As allows you to save them in different types of document formats. The one that we will use the most is the Word document, which saves it in 2007. A Word template will be saved in 2007 for you to use over and over. This one will commonly be used to open up different files from older brands of Microsoft Office. So when you save it in a 97 or 2000 free format, and you use 2007 here, and you use 2003 at home, it will convert back and forth. Add in other file formats or different areas, say web pages. In other formats, we can get into other possible file types. The most common one that you guys will use would be 9703 and Word document.